Autumn is definitely here, which means one thing: squash risotto. That's today's veg hack. It's delicious. In from the cold, what are we going to cook? Squash risotto. Simple, healthy, quick-ish, perfect. In the pan, onions softening down really slowly. Now with a risotto, especially with a real simple one, I try and make it sort of really rich. So butter in there as well, make it super creamy. I'm going to chuck some garlic in already. So simple. Look at that. Now, if that's not just vibrant and beautiful, you just know that's good for you. With autumn, I know everything's getting a bit cold and like the trees are going brown, but if this is what's coming off the fields in autumn, then there's no reason to get blue and down about this time of year. What you can do is you can scoop out this pulp in the seeds and add it to your freezer. If you've got a freezer bag with loads of like veg trimmings, wait till you've got a big amount and then boil it down and make yourself a more substantial stock. Waste not, want not. So I'm obviously going to cut it up. I'm going to get it in. Now, next with all good risottos, you want to give it a good splash of white wine and just let the alcohol bubble off. The secret of this recipe, right, is where the flavour comes from is your choice of stock. Now, and the recipe says vegetable stock, which is delicious through this, but you can also use chicken stock or mushroom stock, which is what I've done here. I reckon the flavour with the sort of autumnal mushrooms and the squash is just an absolute beautiful marriage. Get your rice in there so it absorbs all the oily flavour in there already, because there is some nice flavour in there. And then you want to add your stock. Cool, now we wait. All right, herb-wise, bay leaf, rosemary, thyme works really well. I love rosemary, so I'm just going to chop up some rosemary nice and fine and just get it in there. So with risotto, you just want to keep on tasting it and making sure so it's not far off at all. Interesting, you know, I chucked those whole garlics in there. So what you can do now, smush it, the back of the spoon, and stir it around. So then in some ways, you know, you get actually a more intense garlicky hit if you cook them whole and do that. Get a load of Parmesan. Watch that. Oh, look at that. I'm going to stir it through and make it into this delicious, creamy, cheesy, squashy risotto. I really hope, we're not doing this for fun, we really want you to try these recipes. So simple, delicious, bring a bit of warmth into your autumn night. I love it. As always, any comments, feedback, get in contact. Any vegetable questions, ask us. Stay tuned, more weekly veg hacks.